Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings on the left side, and then click on Apps. In the Apps and Features window, scroll through the list of installed programs until you find Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge, expand the options. You'll notice the Uninstall option is grayed out. Next, click on the Windows Start button, then open File Explorer. Then go to this PC and then open Local Disk C. Navigate to Program Files x86. Then click on Microsoft. Next, click on Edge. Inside the Edge folder, open the Application folder. Then open the folder with a number as its name. Inside it, open the Installer folder. Now, close File Explorer completely. Next, click on the Windows Start button and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, paste the following command and press Enter. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.